Today, we are going to talk about expressions containing the word 빵, meaning bread. These are ppang-sun-i, 빵지순례, and ppang-syeo-teul. Let's break down these expressions one by one. The first expression is ppang-sun-i. This means a woman who loves bread a lot. It combines the word ppang and sun-i. Sun-i was a public name many decades ago, but this name is not very common these days. Instead, it is used as a suffix to indicate gender. Our second expression is 빵지순례. This consists of 빵 and ji-sun-lye, originating from seong-ji-sun-lye, which means a pilgrimage. Therefore, 빵지순례 means a journey to a good bakery. Finally, our last expression is ppang-syeo-teul. It is made up of the words ppang and syeo-teul, the latter of which means a shorter mode of transport. Accordingly, this refers to someone who is forced to run errands for their bullies or the action of delivering bread. In this episode, we talked about ppang and 3 expressions containing it. As you know, the best way to learn a language is through practice. Let's try to make a simple sentence using ppang in the comments down below.